Hello everybody. Hope you're all doing well. This is Dr. S. Hema Prasanna from pptx Coimbatore. Now we will see some of the aspects in management accounting which will be useful for you for preparation of your examination. Before going deep, first we will see what is management accounting. Management accounting, as the term itself indicates, it is accounting for management. That is, it is accounting which is prepared to assist the management in decision making. You all know that for each and every management, decision making is one of the important function, and in performing that function, management accounting will assist. So whatever information is required by the management for making decisions, it will be given by the management accounting. So when you see management accounting, normally theory problems will be in the ratio of 20% theory and 80% problems. And most probably first unit will contain only the theory aspects. So definitely you have to concentrate on theory. You should not skip theory in the confidence that I know all the sums. Definitely you have to see the theory, because in section B and section C, definitely there will be two theory where you have to attend any one theory. So definitely you have to study the theory. The most important theory you have to study are objectives of management accounting, functions, importance, limitations, and you have to definitely study the comparison between management accounting and financial accounting, management accounting and cost accounting. Management accounting most probably derives data from financial accounting. It also derives data from cost accounting. And very important part C question here is installation of management accounting system. How to install management accounting system in a concern. The steps. Okay. So this is for first unit. And second unit normally will contain the financial statement analysis. There are different financial statement analysis techniques, and most important one are comparative financial statement, common size statement, ratio analysis. You have to concentrate on comparative financial statement and common size statement in part B. Only sometimes it may be asked in part C. And ratio analysis, you have to give importance for part C. As you all know, there are different types of ratios like liquidity, solvency, activity, profitability ratios. P&L account and balance sheet will be given for you, and you will be asked to prepare ratios from that. When you are asked to prepare liquidity ratio, you have to prepare current ratio, liquid ratio, absolute liquid ratio. When you are asked to prepare solvency ratio, you have to prepare debt equity ratio, interest coverage ratio. So depending upon the question, you have to calculate. Else ratios will be given for you, and you have to identify the hidden aspects like current assets, current liability, liquid assets, liquid liability, like that. So in part C, you will be given the profit and loss account and balance sheet. Then you will be asked to prepare the ratios. Okay. Next comes fund flow and cash flow analysis. When you come this unit, for section B, you have to concentrate on preparation of schedule of changes in working capital. That will be most probably asked in section B question. And cash from operations, calculation of cash from operations in cash flow statement will be asked in part B. When you see part C, definitely a fund flow statement sum will be there, where you have to prepare working notes, there you have to prepare different accounts like fixed assets account, machinery account, plant account, to identify whether there is purchase of machinery or sale of plant. You have to you have to prepare different accounts. So, like that, sums will be asked in fund flow statement. And definitely there will be a sum in cash flow statement where you have to classify the activities into financing, operating, and then you have to prepare cash flow statement. Most probably, Unit 4, there will be budgetary control where you have to concentrate on theory aspects like requisites of successful budgetary control. What are all the requirements to make a budget successful? And the most important types of budget, fixed and flexible. Flexible budget is more important, and it should be given importance for section C. Okay. And most important functional budget is cash budget. For section C, you have to see the cash budget. In section B, small budgets like labor budget, material requirements budget will be asked. Okay. And loss will be the marginal costing and standard costing. In marginal costing, you will be asked to calculate contribution, PV ratio, break even point in sales, and break even point in units, break even point in rupees. All formulas you have to study. In part B, you will be having sums relating to these simple calculations, and in part C, you will be asked to calculate desired sales. In desired sales, and they will be given desired profit. From desired profit, you have to calculate the desired sales. Like that, sums will be asked in part C. Okay, so in break-even analysis, you will be asked to calculate PV ratio, then desired sales, desired profit. Like that, sums will come in part C. And when coming to standard costing, there are two types of variances: material cost variance and labor cost variance. When two data are given, when two materials data, when two mix of labor is given, definitely you have to calculate material mix variance, labor mix variance. So depending upon the information given in the sum, is it calculate, because in the sum sometimes no specific information will be given. Simply you will be asked to calculate material variance. So you have to identify whether to calculate material mix variance or not, depending upon the information given in the sum. And simple variance will be asked in part B. Okay, thank you. And in further videos, we will see about deep about the subject.